Manchester United are closing in on a deal for Bayern Munich defender Matthijs de Ligt as they seek a replacement for Raphael Varane. With the Dutchman's involvement in Euro 2024 winding down, the transfer is expected to be finalized soon, alongside the acquisition of Joshua Zirkzee. De Ligt has emerged as a more experienced and cost-effective alternative to Everton's Jarrad Branthwaite, whose move to United fell through, leaving him reportedly agitated. Fabrizio Romano has confirmed that personal terms won't be an issue for De Ligt, who is eager to join Manchester United and leave Bayern Munich behind. On his podcast, Romano mentioned that the fee terms are still being negotiated, with United looking to include add-ons in the proposal. He emphasized that De Ligt is solely focused on United, dismissing previous links to Paris Saint-Germain. United are confident about advancing the deal in the coming days, having already received a green light from De Ligt on the project's vision and contract terms.